Yeah, just a quick look at my next project, which is rather quite big. I'm thinking, have I got space? Why have I bought it? But anyway, it's here, and it's the Trix 66101 oxygen blast furnace complex, which you can see from the box is huge. It's about 40 odd hours, 50 hours to build this. Looking on the picture on the front, that's roughly what it looks like when it's complete. On the side, a very interesting complex, industrial complex building, and to go with it, the ore slag cars, the slag cars, excess material removal cars, and the ore wagon train, which I've shown in the past, and torpedo wagons for transporting the product from this facility to a steel factory close by. I'm not having that, I'm just going to be having just this standalone complex, and I'm probably going to be putting it on an extended module coming out of that tunnel. Mountain area is going to be a tunnel coming out of there, and probably 6 foot area coming up through there, stopping around there somewhere, and that will just house the complete project. So that's my next project. Yeah, so just looking in the box, instructions look like that in various different languages. It goes together like pretty basic instructions really, but I think it was originally done by Walthers for the American market. I think Trix took this model on under her own name, and you can see the castings. Castings are very good. I think it'll go together quite nicely, this. But like I say, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of parts to this. I'm not sure how many, but it's going to take a while to assemble.